So today we're gonna teach you how to make a 2SLIMEY beat in the big BL Bandlab. And see, first we gotta start off with our lead. We gotta get a lead. So let's find the W lead here. You gotta find something with some grit to it, you know. Like here, this is gonna be. This is gonna, and we gotta get an instance here. So we gotta cook some up. There we go. That's our lead. That's really good. That's genius.
I don't know if you guys.
Okay. Anyways, we got the lead now. So we're gonna go to go here, and you gotta get a 808. And honestly, it really doesn't. It really doesn't matter what it sounds like, because we're just gonna be messing it up the whole time.
What do you call a cow's knee? A burger joint.
Oh yeah, there we go. That's perfect, actually. And then we gotta go over here to the effects, and we gotta get what is it at? We gotta get this thing. Now this is how you get it real 2SLIMEY-esque. There you go. So now we gotta get some drums. Get a drum pad. Let's go. Look for. There we go. This will be fine, I guess. Let's get something real basic going.
I'm seeing all these great messages come true fans. Those fans have to tell me how much they love my content and they don't want me to retire. And although I don't reply to those messages, I want you guys to.
And then boom. So now we really got something going here, right? I mean, I said we do that twice for real. That's all we need right there. And we're gonna add one more track, and we're gonna be good. So, let's get we're gonna get I don't know, something. I mean, it could be anything. It could be really anything. I just don't know what. What about guitars? What we got? Oh wow, that's bad. See how everything's really going together now. And then we're gonna add. We gotta do one more thing, man. We gotta do one more thing. Alright, so now we got our ad-libs here. Just gonna add a whole bunch of chorus, a whole bunch of verb, get a vocal enhancer, of course, but we want it to be standard. And also we gotta get some modulation up in here, which I'm thinking auto pan on as much as possible. Alright, so essentially that's going to be all for today's video of making a 2SLIMEY beat. in Bandlab.